Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 9 math. Chapter we are on right now is measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is precision. Which measurement is more precise? 58.09 and 9 centimeter. So first thing we need to learn is what is the precision. So precision means how exact a measurement is, right? So when the units are same, the measurement with more decimal places is more precise. So 58.09 is measured to the hundredth of a centimeter and 9 centimeter is measured to the centimeter. A hundredth of a centimeter is smaller unit than a centimeter. So the measurement 58.09 centimeter is more precise. Let's just start with the test questions. Which measurement is more precise? 7.89 or 83 minutes? The one that has more decimal places is the more precise. So the correct option is 7.89 minutes, that is more precise. Which measurement is more precise? 64 mg or 35.2 mg. So which is the correct option? The one with more decimal places is more precise. So 35.2 mg is more precise. The correct option is 35.2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? 95.4 ton is more precise because it has more decimal places. Which measurement is more precise? That is 21.95 hours. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? 1 week or 9,700, sorry, 97.11 weeks. So, which is the correct option? That is 97.11 weeks. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? That is 77.64 days. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? That is 65.29 cl. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? That is 91.25 grams. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert rates and measurement customary units. Convert rates and measurements customary units. 57 feet to inches, right? 1 feet equal 12 inches, right? We have to convert 57 feet to inches. So we have to do 57 feet equal 12 times 57. So 12 times 57 is 684. So that would be 684 inches. Let's just start with the test question. 72 pounds equal how many ounces? So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 72 pounds equal 16 times 72. So 16 times 72 is, that is 1152 ounces. The correct option is 1152 ounces. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1152 ounces. 56 quarts equal how many fluid ounces? 1 quart equal 32 fluid ounces. 1 quart equal 32 fluid ounces. So 56 quarts equals 56 times 32. So which is the correct option? That is 1792 ounces. The correct option is 1792 ounces. Option number 1 is the correct option. 34 pounds equal how many ounces? 34 pounds equal how many ounces? 1 pound equals 16 ounces, right? Then 34 pounds equal how many ounces? We need to do 34 times 16. So which is the correct option? That is 548 ounces. The correct option is 544 ounces. 36 cups equal how many quarts? 1 cup equal how many quarts? 1 cup equal 1 quart equal 4 cups. Yes, 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? We have to convert from cups to quart. So 1 cup equal 1 by 4 quarts, right? So 36 cups equal 36 over 4 quarts. So 36 over 4 is 9. The correct option is 9 quarts. Option number 2 is the correct option. 41 gallons equal how many pence? The is 328 pins. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next lesson is convert rates and measurements metric units. 960 millimeters equal how many centimeters? So in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters, right? So we have to convert from millimeters. So then 1 millimeter equal 1 over 10 centimeters, right? So we have to do 960 divided by 10 equals how many millimeters? That is 96 millimeter equal. Wait, yes, 1 centimeter. So we have 96, sorry, centimeters, not millimeters. So we have 96 centimeter. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 219 kilometers to meters. So 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. So 219 kilometer equal 219 times 1000. So which is the correct option? That is 219,000 meters. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 219,000 meters. Option number 1 is the correct option. 800 centimeter equal how many meters? 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, right? So 800 centimeter equals 8 meters. That means 8 meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Nine 960 millimeters equal how many centimeters? That is 96 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1000 milligrams equal how many grams? One thousand milligrams equal 1 gram. Option number 2 is the correct option. 470 milligrams equal how many centigrams? That is 47 centigrams. Option number 2 is the correct option. 175 kilometers equal how many meters? That is 175,000 meter. Option number 2 is the correct option. 490 kiloliters equal how many liters? The correct option is 494,000 liters. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices with unit conversions. Let's just start with the lesson. A 2 pint bottle of maple syrup costs $26.92. What is price per cup? So first thing you need to see here is the 2 pint bottle, but here the conversion is you need to calculate the price per cup, right? So first thing you need to do is convert the 2 pint bottle to cups, right? So 1 cup equal 1 equal 2 pints. So you have to do 2 times 2. That's same as 4 cups. Now 2 pints is same as 4 cups. So we need to divide 26.92 divided by 4. That is $6.73. Let's just start with the test questions. A 3 pound bag of carrots costs $6.72. What is the price per ounce? 3 pound bag of carrots costs $6.72. What is the price per ounce? So here you are given 3 pound bag and you need to find the answer in ounces. So first thing you need to do is you need to convert from pounds to ounces, right? We know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces, right? So then 3 pounds equal 16 times 3. So 16 times 3 is 48 ounces, right? Now you have to divide 6.72 by 48 because we need to calculate the answer in the ounces. So 6.72 divided by 48 is 0.14 ounces. Here is the answer in the ounces. That means the price per ounce is 0.14. Got it? The correct option is 0.14. Option number 2 is the correct option. A 2 pint bottle of maple syrup is $26.92. What is the price per cup? So 1 cup equal 2 pints. So you need to convert from pints to cup first, right? So we know that 1 cup equal 2 pints. So here we have 2 pints equal 2 times 2, that equals 4 cups, right? So now we need to divide 26.92 divided by 4 and we have the answer in the cups. So we have to do 26.92 divided by 4, that is 6.73. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 6.73. A 6-pound bag of apples cost $11.52. What is the price per ounces? 11 6 pounds. First thing you need to convert is from pounds to ounces. 1 pound equals 16 ounces, right? So 6 pounds equals 16 times 6, that is 96 ounces. So 11.52 divided by 96. 11.52 divided by 96, that is 0.12. The correct option is 0.12. That is 0.12. Option number 2 is the correct option. A 4-cup bottle of mouthwash costs $5.88. What is the price per unit? So we have to convert from 1 cup equal 2 pence, right? 4 cups equal 2 times 2 equals 4 pence. So 5.88 divided by 4 equals, the correct option is $1.95. Option number 1 is the correct option. So we have to convert from cups to pence, so we need to divide it by the 2, not multiply. That is $2.94. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math chapter. The lessons we have are precision, convert rates and measurements, customary unit, metric unit, unit prices with unit conversions. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can click on the live chat button. Tutor will there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your confusions if you have any. So if you have any, no questions.